Over 92% of Americans over 60 show early signs of vision loss, yet most don't realize it's happening until it's too late. Cataracts, dry eyes disease, and macular degeneration are stealing independence silently. But science shows certain everyday fruits can protect eyes and even restore vision naturally. Which ones? Stay with me. Eye health is one of the most important parts of overall well-being, yet it's often ignored until problems appear. Clear vision lets us read, drive, and enjoy daily life. Without it, many seniors feel forced to give up driving at night or struggle with independence at home. Nutrition plays a direct role in vision health. The eyes need a steady balance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to function properly. Research shows that the right nutrients can protect eyes against cataracts, macular degeneration, blurry vision, and dry eyes disease. That's why diet is one of the most effective natural remedies for dry eyes and vision problems. Seniors often ask, how can I improve my eyesight naturally? The answer starts with food. Certain fruits stand out as some of the best food for eye health. Rich in vitamins for eyes, antioxidants, and nutrients, they not only protect eyes from damage, but also support vision improvement and long-term eye protection. In today's video, we'll look at the top fruits proven to help with eye care, protect against cataracts, and even provide natural ways to treat dry eyes. If you've ever wondered how to fix blurry vision naturally, or what the best vitamin for eye health is, stay with us, because these foods may be the easiest way to protect your vision after 60. Before we start, tell us in the comments, how old are you, and what vision issue are you dealing with right now? Blurry vision, dry eyes, or something else? We'd love to hear from you. No. 1. Oranges. Oranges are one of the best foods for eye health, especially because they are loaded with vitamin C. According to the National Eye Institute, or NEI, vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the strength and clarity of the cornea, the clear front part of the eye. Collagen keeps the eye structure stable, which is critical for long-term vision improvement. Research from Johns Hopkins and Mayo Clinic shows that vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant. It helps neutralize free radicals caused by sunlight, pollution, and everyday stress. Left unchecked, these free radicals can damage eye cells and increase the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. By adding oranges to your daily diet, you give your body a natural way to protect eyes from oxidative stress. Cleveland Clinic confirms that vitamin C also supports blood vessel health inside the eyes, which is essential for preventing blurred eye vision and supporting clear sight as we age. Beyond antioxidants, oranges contain flavonoids and carotenoids that reduce inflammation, helping relieve discomfort from dry eyes. Inflammation in the tear glands can reduce tear production, leading to irritation and symptoms of dry eyes disease. Eating oranges regularly may help maintain a healthy tear film, which is one of the most natural remedies for dry eyes. Another key benefit is immune support. A strong immune system helps seniors avoid eye infections that can cause blurry vision or delay healing. This makes oranges more than just a snack. They're a simple, affordable solution for eye protection and vision eye care. Seniors who wonder how to improve my eyesight naturally, or what the best vitamin for eye health is, should start with foods like oranges. They are safe, effective, and a true foundation of natural remedies for dry eye and overall vision health. But the next fruit contains a nutrient that may protect against night blindness. Stay tuned. Number 2. Papaya. Papaya is one of the richest sources of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. According to the National Eye Institute, NEI, vitamin A is critical for keeping the cornea, the clear outer layer of the eye, healthy and preventing night blindness. Seniors who don't get enough vitamin A are more likely to suffer from blurry vision or difficulty seeing in low light. So adding papaya to the diet is a simple way to protect eyes and maintain clear vision. Cleveland Clinic highlights that papaya also contains natural enzymes such as papain, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation of the eye surface or tear glands is one of the main reasons for dry eyes. Eating papaya regularly may help reduce irritation, improve tear quality, and support comfort for those struggling with dry eyes disease. For seniors looking for natural remedies for dry eyes, papaya is a safe and effective option. The antioxidants in papaya, including vitamin C and vitamin E, further shield the eyes from oxidative stress. Mayo Clinic and Johns Hopkins report that oxidative damage is a leading factor in cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. By including papaya in your meals, you may lower the risk of these conditions while also strengthening your overall vision health. For those who spend hours reading, watching TV, or using digital devices, papaya's nutrient profile helps reduce eye strain and fatigue. The American Foundation for the Blind, or AFB, stresses that even small daily changes, such as choosing fruits high in antioxidants, can support long-term vision improvement and protect against progressive vision problems. Seniors who wonder how to improve my eyesight or what the best food for eye health is should consider papaya a daily staple. It's more than a tropical fruit. It's a natural remedy for dry eyes and a proven way to support eye protection over time. If this is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which fruit you eat most often. Number 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are packed with powerful antioxidants that protect the eyes from oxidative stress, a key factor in age-related vision problems. Compounds such as ellagic acid and quercetin help neutralize free radicals before they damage delicate eye tissues. According to Johns Hopkins researchers, diets rich in antioxidants can reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, two of the leading causes of vision loss in seniors. Strawberries also improve circulation. Healthy blood flow in the small vessels of the eyes is essential for maintaining sharp vision. Better circulation supports oxygen delivery and nutrient absorption, which can help with conditions linked to blurry vision or reduced visual clarity. Another benefit is their natural anti-inflammatory effect. Inflammation is one of the most common reasons for dry eyes disease. By reducing irritation on the eye surface and in the tear glands, strawberries may provide natural remedies for dry eyes and help cure dry eyes naturally. Seniors who suffer from eye strain or discomfort after reading or using screens may notice less irritation when strawberries become a regular part of their diet. On top of that, strawberries are one of the best foods for eye health because of their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C strengthens collagen in the cornea, supports blood vessels inside the eyes, and boosts overall vision eye care. Mayo Clinic notes that vitamin C also plays a role in preventing astigmatism and keeping color perception clear. For seniors asking how to improve my eyesight naturally, strawberries are a simple, delicious, and affordable solution for vision improvement and long-term eye protection. Number 4. Mango. Mangoes are a powerhouse for vision health because they are rich in vitamin A. The National Eye Institute, or NEI, emphasizes that vitamin A is essential for maintaining a healthy cornea, the clear outer layer of the eye. Without enough vitamin A, seniors face a higher risk of night blindness and blurry vision. Adding mangoes to your meals is one of the simplest ways to protect eyes and ensure you're getting this critical nutrient naturally. Beyond vitamin A, mangoes contain antioxidants such as beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, and cryptoxanthin. According to Cleveland Clinic, these compounds help shield ocular tissues from oxidative stress, which is one of the leading causes of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. By lowering oxidative damage, mangoes contribute to long-term vision improvement and macular degeneration prevention. Mangoes also play a role in hydration. Their high water content supports tear production and helps keep the eye surface moist, which can reduce discomfort from dry eyes disease. Proper hydration is vital for a stable tear film, preventing irritation and providing a natural remedy for dry eyes. Finally, mangoes supply enzymes and bioactive compounds that reduce inflammation. Chronic eye inflammation is often linked to dry eyes and vision problems, and Mayo Clinic notes that controlling inflammation is a key step in protecting eyesight. Seniors who ask how to improve my eyesight or what foods improve vision naturally should not overlook mangoes. They are not only delicious, but also one of the best foods for eye health, combining vitamins for eyes, antioxidants, and hydration into one daily solution for eye protection. No. 5. Grapes. Grapes are especially beneficial for eye protection because they contain resveratrol, a compound widely studied for its impact on both cardiovascular and eye health. Resveratrol promotes better blood circulation, and healthy blood flow is critical for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the eyes. The National Eye Institute, NEI, highlights that proper circulation supports vision improvement and helps protect against age-related eye problems. Grapes are also rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and carotenoids. These compounds help neutralize free radicals caused by sunlight, pollution, and stress, which can otherwise damage ocular tissues. By adding grapes to your diet, you give your eyes a natural defense system against oxidative stress, lowering the risk of macular degeneration and other vision issues. For people with diabetes, grapes may also help reduce the risk of diabetic retinopathy. Cleveland Clinic reports that stabilizing blood sugar is an important factor in preventing damage to the tiny blood vessels in the retina. Grapes support overall metabolic health, which in turn helps maintain vision eye care and prevents long-term vision loss. The skin of grapes contains quercetin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Inflammation of the eye surface is a common cause of dry eye disease. Including grapes in your meals may help reduce irritation, improve tear stability, and serve as one of the natural remedies for dry eyes. Seniors searching for natural ways to treat dry eyes or wondering how to fix blurry vision naturally can benefit from grapes as a simple, accessible, and best food for eye health. Number 6. Watermelon. Watermelon is one of the best foods for eye health because of its naturally high water content. Proper hydration is essential for tear production, and a stable tear film is the first defense against dry eye disease. Eating watermelon regularly is not only refreshing, but also a natural remedy for dry eyes, helping reduce irritation and keeping the eyes comfortable throughout the day. This fruit is also rich in vitamin A. According to the National Eye Institute, NIE, vitamin A is necessary for the production of rhodopsin, the protein that allows your eyes to adjust to changes in light. Seniors who don't get enough vitamin A may experience night blindness or blurry vision, making watermelon an easy way to protect eyes and support vision improvement naturally. In addition to vitamin A, watermelon provides a strong dose of lycopene, the antioxidant responsible for its red color. Cleveland Clinic reports that lycopene is linked to a lower risk of macular degeneration and other vision problems caused by oxidative stress. By including watermelon in your diet, you can reduce the risk of age-related vision loss and strengthen overall eye protection. Watermelon also delivers vitamin C and vitamin B6. Vitamin C helps neutralize free radicals that damage ocular tissues, while vitamin B6 supports the production of neurotransmitters that carry visual signals from the eyes to the brain. Together, these nutrients make watermelon a powerful food for vision eye care, offering seniors a simple, natural way to improve eyesight and protect against long-term eye problems. No. 7. Kiwi. Kiwi is one of the most powerful fruits for vision improvement because it is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are concentrated in the retina, especially the macula, the area responsible for sharp, detailed vision. The National Eye Institute confirms that higher intake of lutein and zeaxanthin is linked to a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in seniors. Eating kiwi regularly is a simple way to protect eyes and preserve clarity. Kiwi also delivers vitamins K and E. Vitamin K supports healthy blood vessels in the eyes, which is essential for steady blood flow and oxygen delivery. Vitamin E provides antioxidant protection against oxidative stress, helping prevent conditions like cataracts, blurry vision, and dry eyes disease. Cleveland Clinic highlights that antioxidants such as vitamin E play a central role in slowing down age-related vision changes. For seniors who deal with eye strain from reading, driving, or screen use, kiwi offers a natural remedy. Its combination of hydration, antioxidants, and vitamins can help relieve irritation and provide natural ways to treat dry eyes. Kiwi's fiber content also supports stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy. Johns Hopkins experts emphasize that controlling blood sugar is one of the best ways to protect eyesight for individuals with diabetes. The bigger picture is balance. While kiwi is one of the best foods for eye health, it should be part of a diverse diet filled with fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich foods. Seniors who wonder how to improve my eyesight naturally, or what are the best vitamins for seniors, should see kiwi as a cornerstone of daily vision eye care. Resolution. By adding kiwi and the other fruits we've covered, you can support eye protection, reduce the discomfort of dry eyes, and strengthen your ability to enjoy reading, driving, and connecting with loved ones. A simple change at the dinner table can help cure dry eyes naturally, prevent macular degeneration, and keep your eyesight clear for years to come. By protecting your vision, you're protecting your freedom, the ability to drive, read, and live independently. Don't forget, omega-3 for dry eyes and simple vision exercises to improve eyesight can further support your long-term eye health.